Hello, hi, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. If you're watching my channel for the first time, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos and then press the bell icon. Today I will be showing you yummy raw mango recipe. This is the season, we'll get raw mangoes very well. So I am going to show you this recipe. Raw mango, as we know, it is very high in vitamin C, which prevents dehydration, very safe for pregnant ladies also, which is a good for skin and hair too. Now you see I have already used kodo millet for this. Yummy, right? My mouth is watering. For this, see the ingredients which all I have taken here in this pic. Now for this we have to take grated mango. So here we are taking grated mango, slightly chopped green chilies, red chilies, jeera, coconut, methi powder and curry leaves. Now for this, take a mixer, add red chilies as per your taste and then just give it a mix so that it mixes well, it gets blends well, and then take a cup of coconut. See how nicely it's been blended now. Now keep kadai on stove and add some oil to it. I have taken here groundnut oil. You can wish as per your taste. You can even add coconut oil or sesame oil, whatever it is. After adding oil, I have taken jeera and green chilies to it. Just saute it for a while. Once the green chilies are slightly sauteed, now add curry leaves to it. Curry leaves are very good for hair, skin and all. Here I have taken fresh curry leaves, which gives us a nice flavor. Now just mix it slowly. Now once it is fried, now we are going to take this red chilli and coconut mixture. Take it to this kadai and just give it a blend mix. Once this is mixed, let it cook for almost 10 to 12 minutes until the oil comes out. So you can see here oil is coming out from this. Yeah, wait till then. Now this is the time to add grated mango. Now take that grated mango and add to this kadai. Once you add this, give it a nice mix. Even raw mango is also a good source of high fiber too. Here I am going to add half teaspoon of fresh homemade turmeric powder. I think you can make out the color. This is homemade turmeric powder. Then just give it a mix and then I am going to add here salt. You can add salt as per your taste. I have taken here almost 1.5 spoon of salt. As this is raw mango, I think we need to add bit more salt. Here I have taken pink Himalayan salt. You see, once it gets nicely smashed, then we can make out that it is cooked. I think this one also needs some 10 to 12 minutes to cook. You see oil is coming out from this. Yeah, this is the time to switch off stove and add methi powder. This methi powder you just dry roast and mix it as a powder. Give it a mix. Switch off the stove and then only add this methi powder. Here we are adding methi powder as it cools our body. Now take it to a bowl separately. Now this mixture you can even store for 10 to 15 days if you store it in a glass or ceramic bowl, glass or ceramic jar. Now again to put seasoning for that mixture, if you want to have it immediately you have to do seasoning, right? So for this I have taken another 2 spoon of groundnut oil. I have added here mustard seeds, chana dal and urud dal and peanuts also. Let this get fried well. After once it is fried, just add some curry leaves. Here again I am adding few fresh curry leaves. Then I am adding this mixture. You see how much quantity you want, so that we will mix it with this seasoning. Just give it a mix nicely. Make sure that you are not going to fry it for more time, as we have added here methi powder. So once you mix it, just switch off the flame. I like my dishes to be crunchy, so I use here more peanuts, chana dal, and wow, yummy, my mouth is watering like anything. So nice, right? Now here I have taken kodo millet, which has more fiber. See, I am mixing this with the kodo millet. Wow, kodo millet is very easy to digest, also it is more fiber. Wow, you see this mixed raw mango millet rice. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.